Today, I'm going to teach you how to order something on Best Buy. Let's get started. Ordering something on Best Buy is fairly simple. Here's how you can do it. First, you need to go to the Best Buy website. It is bestbuy.com. You can simply go to any Google, maybe the Google Chrome or any searching browser that you have. Search for the product you want using the search bar at the top to find what you're looking for or browse through different categories depending on what you want. Select the item you want or click on the product you want, read the details, and check the availability, shipping, pickup, or in-store options. Click the Add to Cart button. You can continue shopping or proceed to checkout. Once you're at the checkout, click on the cart icon on the top right corner and select Go to Cart. Then click Checkout. If you do have a Best Buy account, you can sign in for faster checkout and you could also get rewards. If not, you can check out as a guest. For shipping, you may enter your delivery address or choose an in-store pickup option. And for the payment, you can use credit, debit card, PayPal, or a Best Buy gift card. Double check everything, apply any promo codes, and then click Place Your Order. Get confirmation and tracking. You'll receive an email with your order details and tracking information once it ships. And that is how you order at Best Buy. For more videos like this, kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell button. See you next time.